Welcome to day 4 in our Faceless affiliate marketing. Now I'm going to keep this video short for you because the last one was a bit longer than normal. However, everything we went through in that process is essential for when you're doing this, okay? So don't skip any of it. I know some of it can be a little bit boring at sometimes, but this is how we do the process, okay? So today we're going to cover, we've created our channel, we've created our content, we've got it all good to go. The final thing we're going to do is obviously we're going to be including our affiliate link in here so we can be earning some money. Now in day 1 or day 2 I think it was, I showed you how to find different affiliate products. So I've gone ahead and found some different affiliate products related to grounding over here, and I'll show you how we take those links and we shorten them and then we include them into our YouTube description and our comments box and other places, okay? So the first part is we'd need an affiliate link, and you will see over here I have signed up to this one over here. It's called Grounding Well, and they've just accepted me. And you can, I mean, look, there's pretty decent commission. There's 25% commission on any product. Okay, so I can browse the products, or I can literally just link over here to the store. So that there is essentially my link. Okay, so I'm going to copy that and I'm going to go to it. So I'll show you it. So on there, it's got our, look, you see at the end our ID, that is our tracking link, and it's sending people over to the homepage of the website. Anybody that lands on here and buys something, we will then earn 25% commission. Pretty straightforward and simple. And look, if you are going with the digital products, so using a website like ClickBank or Warrior Plus, concept's still the same. You need an affiliate link. We're going to take that link and we're going to shorten it. Now, here's the thing. This link over here is a bit long and a bit ugly, isn't it? We want to shorten that link down and also want to know realistically how many people are clicking that link and where our traffic's coming from. Now, there's loads of ways you can do this. Personally, I use over on my website, I have a tracking link on there. But if we're doing this from scratch, I'll share with you a free resource, which is absolutely awesome, isn't it? So for this, we will come over to this website over here, and it's called Bitly, bitly.com. Okay, so just type that into Google or whatever browser you're using. It's called Bitly. It's a link shortener. It works very similar to other ones as well, okay, but you don't need to be spending money. And how it works is it basically shortens the long link that we're getting. So create an account for free. On the left hand side, you click over here, you click on create new. What do you want to create? Well, I want to shorten a link. So destination is where I want to send people to. So that, if I paste that in there, that is my affiliate link, okay? Then we can give it a title if we want, but we don't want to. And then you see down here where it says shorten link, this is how it would look. So it would start with this bit.ly, and then you can custom the back half of this, or you can leave it. So for this, I am just going to go with, so it's loaded that up there. So we're going to go with grounding UK products. Okay. And then I'm going to scroll down here. Let me move this for you. Do that, and there we go. So all I've done here is I've scrolled to the bottom and I click on create your link, and it will literally create that. So there we go. Look, it's done. Now, if somebody else had that link, it would say, look, this is not available, and it would give you other suggestions. But if I now copy that link and I take it over to a new tab like so, and I paste that in there, we'll see, watch, there we go. It's still sending me over to the actual page where we're still getting our commission. It's still got our ID on here. It just looks a lot better and it's shorter. And when we go into Bitly over here, you can see if people have been clicking on that. So I'll show you an example. So if I go to links, most of these won't, to be honest with you, because this is just what we use for YouTube videos. But we can see, like, so this one over here, for example, look, that has had 125 engagements on that one. That means people have clicked on this. Okay, so it's just a great way of seeing if people are clicking on your links. I mean, most of these on here will be from when I've done YouTube videos to show you this process. Okay, but that is it. So we've got our link. So now we can take that link and we can put that into our YouTube description, and we can also put it into our comments or anywhere basically. If I come back over here onto YouTube, and we've got our title here and our text and our hashtags and everything else. So we're going to want to put this somewhere up here, okay? So for this, we just do a couple, we just press enter a few times, and then we're going to put something in here. So I'm going to say, check out, and I'm doing this very quickly, okay? Check out the best grounding mats available in the UK. And the reason why I'm putting UK here is because obviously YouTube, it's a global audience and most people we're going to be targeting a UK, US, okay? So I don't want someone from the US to click on this because the company over here is only in the UK. So I've put this out on here. So check out the best grounding mats available in the UK. And then all I'm doing here is pasting that into there. And then that has got my affiliate link in there, okay? Now, if you are targeting, I mean, if you're doing digital products, it doesn't really matter because it doesn't matter what country they're in. With physical products, obviously, you need to check whether they ship worldwide, but a lot of the time it will just be country specific, okay? So with this one, we have gone for UK, and then what I'll probably do after this video, so I'm not wasting your time, is I will go and find some companies over in the US who do this, and then I'll add an affiliate link in there. So I'll have one for the UK market and one for the US. But that there is it basically done. So you'd click on save, like so, and then that is saved, okay? So now, if I click on here, let's go over to the actual video, and we're going to pause that. And then what I also like to do as well is, if I then scroll down, let me go back over here actually, copy that whole thing over here.
Struggling to get a good night's sleep? What if I told you there's
that, and then I'm scrolling down here, and then you see here where it says add a comment. All I do here is I paste that in again like so, and then I click on comment. And then that's just, and then it's disappeared. Why has it disappeared? Newest first. Let me refresh that. I don't know why it's done that. You can see that it says 2 comments. It's just disappeared. But basically, what I'm going to do here is I'm literally going to pause that.
What if I told you there's a simple mat that could help you sleep?
Scroll, there it is. Look, check out the best grounding mats, and it's got the link there. It's a clickable link. So if I now click on that, it opens up in a new tab, sends them over to the affiliate product. Absolutely awesome. Now the other thing I want to do here is I want to like it. I want to give it a thumbs up, and I want to pin it like this, pin. So now that will go at the top. So right below the video, we have got this over here with our affiliate links. And that's it. And look, this is just basic affiliate marketing. You can take it a step further whereby you're offering people a free product in exchange for an email and building an email list. And look, we're not going to cover that in this video. If you want that, there'll be resources either over in the members area or down below in this YouTube video. There'll be some resources. I think we've got like an affiliate marketing book, and look, if you're in the university and you're watching this, we've got everything for affiliate marketing, haven't we? So just go through that section. But look, that is the whole process. That is Faceless affiliate marketing. We're creating content, we're optimizing it for search engine optimization, and we're also putting as much information in here so YouTube knows exactly what this is about, and we're including our affiliate link. And here's the thing, over time, guess what? You can start earning money from YouTube ads. You can start earning money from sponsorships and companies. Because I have no doubt with this channel over here, if we was to continue posting daily with this and build this up, companies who are in this category on each, guess what? They will maybe want to give us their product in exchange for a review. They'll want us to. There's loads of different ways you can do sponsored videos as well. Okay, but look, that is it. So any comments or question, let me know. I'll put links to everything down below for you. Take care, and I'll see you soon.